Fadila as the opening and closing, and then Fajar Dwi Utami as moderator, and then Hendra, and then Dika, and Tika, and Tia. Please pay attention, guys. It's your turn, Fajar. Okay, you may take a seat, guys. Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
In here, I would like to be the moderator. In here, I would like to tell you about the journal. We are here bring out the two journals. The first journal is from Hendra, and the second is me. And then the first presenter would be Dika. Give applause, please.
Okay, thank you, my friends. I will explain about the basic of teaching reading skill. Have you ever been frustrated by your student for reading skill?
Of course.
So, what do we do?
I don't know.
Okay, there are a number of skills that we can teach students to help them improve their ability to understand and process text. Basically, there are three types of reading skill. Next, type 1 reading skill. Prepare the student for reading the text. They help the student gain an idea of what the text will be about, and this increases their motivation to read. Type 2 will reading skill. Improve their ability to interact and understand the text. Type 3 post reading skill. Post reading skill helps students to critically analyze what they have read. Post reading activity also increase the student understanding of the text. Next, okay, reading and reading belong to pre-reading activity, and skimming and scanning belong to will reading activity. And the specific will be explained by Tias. Okay, give applause.
They can also use the illustration, vocabulary, or the grammatical structure to guess what is coming next. Example activity to build predicting skill. To doing scanning activity like this in their own language. So it should be an easy skill for them to develop in English. Okay. Next is Tinggal.
Your class.
next presentation is about scanning. Scanning is involves reading something to find a particular piece of information and ignoring everything else. It can be done with low-level students because they don't need to understand all of the text. And how to scanning? We can scanning by standard information, especially distracts, and when we want to shred a date, we can shred in the text number. Next scanning. Scanning is require a high-level reading skill to involve reading time to quickly to find the main fact and item in it. How to scanning? We can scanning by read the title, read the first paragraph, and we can notice the picture, graphic, statistic, or we can see the italic and bold word. And after we study review, prediction, scanning, and preview, we must to practice all day because this skill is very important. And this is the end of the first journal, and the second journal will be presentation by Fajar, Gila, and Pika. Thank you.
Okay guys, good morning everyone.
Morning!
In here I would like to bring out the second journal with the title, okay please? The title is How to Tutor Students with Reading Problems. In here I would like to bring out the 4 tips. First tip and second tip will be brought by me, and then the third will be brought by Tika and Gila. Okay, next. We can look up in here. The first tip is repeated reading with a mother. The introduction is the tutor have to introduce the passage, which is take about 3 until 5 minutes, and then the tutor has students to read aloud, and then the tutor have to tell about the title of the passage, and then describe it generally what is the passage about, and then giving the students a purpose or reason to read. For example, like this, students read the passage and you can find the main idea of the passage. Okay. The first tip consists of 2 points. The first point is simultaneous reading. The tutor have to read slowly in a soft and a clear voice, and then the student have to read aloud. And next, second one is simultaneous repeated reading. After the break time, the tutor have to give student chance to reread the message, and then make sure the 2 things. The first is maintain a smooth pace, and then the second is encourage students to read. Okay, next. The second point is honor reading with monitoring and feedback. Introduction is the tutor have to select appropriate passage, and then ask the students to read as smoothly, accurately, and quickly as possible. But provide help, tutor have not to interrupt the students. Okay, next. Second point is providing corrects. When there is any mispronounced word, the tutor have to pronounce it correctly soon, and have to make sure that the tutor didn't disturb the reading process of the students. And then next, okay, this is the third point. This third point will be brought by Tika. Give applause.
Okay, now I will have to provide an explanation. The tip point is error monitoring and reading practice. The tutor can use phrases with first start. Expect to be only one objective spot before saying if the goal is to get up fast pitch. Responding with several repetitions of hard phrases is tagging orders so that the students can not practice the next part. Okay, the next is Dylan. Okay, dear Open.
Okay, I will continue explain about the French part. This is an evaluation reading tutorial. The evaluation student perform. The best evaluation is the student ability to read meaningful. Student reading perform can be evaluated by the three index. This is oral reading accuracy or ORA, oral reading fluency ORF, and comprehension question. The ORA is progress can be determined by having the student reread the passage without the tutor and calculate the student's ORA on the basis. The ORF is calculated based subtract the number of errors from total number of word read per minute and dividing the number of correct words by total number of words. And then evaluation the tutor process. The evaluation the tutor process. General evaluation usually use art, context, active reading time, training feedback, and student self-monitoring and self-correcting, method practice, classic, and encouragement. The on-time proportion of the time processor when the student is attending to them. Active engagement time, the professor time processor when the student actively engaged with the listening, text, reading, repeating, asking, and answering. Active reading time. Active reading time, the proportion of time persistent that the student is actively practicing reading, especially reading aloud to the tutor-active learning time, the proportion of the time the student is actively engaged at the material and at appropriate level of difficulty. Changing feedback and student self-monitoring and self-correcting. Changing feedback and student self-monitoring and self-correcting. The extent to the student receives just and feedback or error, notice his or her own error while reading and correct her error is by their self. Method practice. Method practice the opportunity to practice continuously with few or no interruption for sustained periods. Fluency. Fluency the opportunity to practice repeat early toward of read and accurate response sometimes alternate. This is automaticity or effort learning. The encouragement is a high rate of positive encourage comment or gesture from the tutor or the student. Okay, that's all from us, and then question session will come to Fajar. Okay guys, now you can learn of the video. In here I would like to answer Malinda's question. The question is how to evaluate student reading ability. In here I would like to give you the three ways to evaluate it. The first one is ORA, and then the second is ORF, and then the comprehension questions. That's the way how to evaluate reading ability from the students. Okay, that's all. You can up here. Then come here, guys. In this section, we have finished our presentation, and then Mila will close it. Okay, guys. Thank you for your attention. See you.
See you.